Okay, guys, let's recap what we talked about today. So we talked yesterday about geometric explicit formulas. These are explicit formulas and arithmetic explicit formulas, okay? What I like about the explicit formula is it allows you to find any term. You find any term. Again, I can find any term. But the recursive formulas kind of tell you what's going on. So to do a recursive formula, it starts like this. A to the n sub n equals a sub n minus 1 plus d. What does that mean? Well, d is like the difference. We know that. So if I take a look at the example I wrote down, it would be plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So I know d in this formula is 3 because I'm just going to be adding 3. So the formula works like this. We always have to say first term. So you need two things. One, you always have to say, well, let's start at 1 because the first term is 1. And then what are we doing? We're adding 3. So this symbol, for example, let's say we want to find, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the fifth term. Let's say I want to find the sixth term. Well, I would say a of 6 is equal to take the 1 before it, the fifth term, and add 3. So this means basically a to the n minus 1. When you see this, it just means the previous term. It says, okay, take the term you just looked at, 7, and add 3, makes 10. Take the previous term, add 3 to it, gets 13. If I want to make the next term, I would take the 13 and add 3 to it. So that's how a recursive formula works. We'll talk about that more tomorrow. We also looked at it as a geometric recursive formula. So we know that we're always multiplying to do geometric, and whatever r is the multiplier. So r looks like a weird looking, but it is an r. So we looked at an example. This is geometric because we're multiplying by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 3, so r is 3. So to make a term, we take the previous term. Remember that symbol means previous term, and we multiply by 3. So to make the next term, 1, 2, 3, 4, to make the fifth term, a of 5, we'd say take the fourth term, 54 times 3. Okay, you need to always say what the first term is, always where to start, and then multiply by 3. Okay, and that's all I really had. Homework today is I was going to have you guys work out of your book, and I believe I assigned pages 108 to 111 out of your book. Okay, so that's all we had today, and we did some cutouts. Okay, that's it.